Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to easily upload a video to Google Drive using the mobile app, updated for 2025. Whether you want to back up precious memories or share a project, these steps will have your video safely stored in the cloud in just a few taps. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your App Store and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Files. This section gives you a clear view of everything you've stored in your drive so far. Now, to add your video, tap the plus icon, the big plus at the bottom right. This is your gateway to uploading new content. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, tap on Upload. You'll see choices for different types of files. Since we're focusing on videos, select videos or photos and videos, depending on your device. Browse your gallery or recent files and pick the video you want to upload. Once you've selected it, tap Upload again. The upload process will begin immediately. You might notice a progress bar or notification at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your phone. Larger videos may take a bit longer, especially if you're not on Wi-Fi. When the upload is complete, the video you just added will appear as the very first file in your files list. It's now safely stored in your Google Drive and ready to share or access from any device. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've uploaded your video to Google Drive, making it easy to keep your memories secure or share them with friends and family whenever you need.